morning to one and all present here. Sports not only build athletes but also better people.
Sports is an integral part of everyone's life. It helps us lead a healthy life and also teach us how to play honestly, win honorably, lose gracefully, to adjust with others, learn management and importance of time in the long run. To commemorate the spirit of sports, we will be conducting virtual Padma Bhushan Major Nyanchand Annual Sports Fest 2020-21.
It's a pleasure to start this enthusiastic fest by welcoming everyone. On behalf of AIS family, I heartily welcome our principal, Honorable Chandrakala Mishra ma'am, respected coordinators, our parents and my dear Abhayans. Let us begin with a beautiful welcome song.
मन की वीणा से गुंजित ध्वनि मंगलम मन की वीणा से गुंजित ध्वनि मंगलम स्वागतम 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 कैसा पावन सुहावन समय आज है कैसा पावन सुहावन समय आज है आप आए अतिथियों में सरताज है आप आए अतिथियों में सरताज है देव की भांति पूजन करें आज हम देव की भांति पूजन करें आज हम मन की बगिया से हमने है कलिया चुनी मन की बगिया से हमने है कलिया चुनी श्रद्धा के फूलों से हमने माला बुनी श्रद्धा के फूलों से माला करते हैं मिलके अर्पित सुमन आज हम करते हैं मिलके अर्पित सुमन आज हम
It was indeed melodious and a good start to proceed ahead.
Sports Fest is all about synchronization and teamwork. It is mandatory to have a healthy competitions between the team. We are extremely glad to have with us our four distinctive houses: Satlaj, Godavari, Kaveri, Brahmaputra.
Our enthusiastic and energetic Abhayans are led by our passionate and able leaders, Master Pradeep Yashwant Rao, head boy of AIS, and our head girl, Miss Asta Kashikar. Each house is represented by a house mistress, a captain, and a vice captain.
Let us hear from our house mistress about the preparation of our teams for the competitions.
I, Miss Ujjwala Borunde, is honored to represent Satlaj House as its teacher in charge. River Satlaj is one of the holy river of India, which is the largest of 5 rivers that flows through the historical crossroad region of Punjab and northern India and Pakistan. The Satlaj River is also known as Satadri. It is the easternmost tributary of the Indus River. The Bhakra Dam is built around the river Satluj to provide irrigation and other facilities to the state of Punjab, Rajasthan, and Haryana. In Tibet, it rivers is also known as Red River. Red is the color of passion and energy. Red color draws the attention like no other color and radiates a strong and powerful energy that motivates us to take action. It also symbolizes the courage and desire to achieve the set target. The red color of abhiyas belonging to Satluj house depicts courage which motivates them to achieve their desired target with passion and energy. Thank you.
I, Miss Saili Kubarekar, is honored to represent Kaveri House as its teacher in charge. Kaveri House takes pride and joy in facing the world with determination and strong will. The Kaverians carry forward the ideas of fair play and team spirit. Kaveri House, named after a sacred river of southern India, Kaveri, is known for its scenery and sanctity, and its entire course is considered as a holy ground. Generosity, kindness, and care towards all and to the environment are the guiding principle that drive the each and every Kaverian. The blue color of the Kaveri house represents knowledge, depth, and vastness. It is the color of the sky and the sea. It symbolizes trust, loyalty, wisdom, confidence, youth, spirituality, truth, peace, and high ideals. It slows human metabolism and produces a calming effect. Blue is strongly associated with tranquility and calmness. The Kaveri house depicts bravery, which inculcates in the Kaverians that they should not fear any given situation in life and should face everything up front and with utmost bravery. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I, Miss Archana Amre, is proud to introduce myself as house in charge of Godavari. Godavari means the being who grants water or kind. It is the largest and the longest river in South India. The river is very deep and is a giver of prosperity to those who worship her. As the Godavari flows across the peninsular India, it gives the gift of life and spreading greenery and prosperity along its way. The color green is indicative of elements like nature, fertility, and life. It represents growth and harmony and is the color of environment. Greenhouse is appropriately named Godavari because of their link to the natural elements of the environment and are natural winners. The Godavarians are always ready, rearing to go on and achieve, always while keeping in mind their goals. The green signals always signifies movement. Students of Godavari House are down to earth, sociable, and responsible. All the members are all rounders and are consistently good performance in academics as well as sports. Dear Godavarians, remember, sports and games teach us life lessons outside of the classroom. It teaches us to trust, loyalty to tackle situation calmly. It teaches us that even if you fail, you should never give up and practice harder to taste success. I present my best wishes to students participating in the games that are soon to commence. I wish you all best of luck and I hope we will continue this tradition of celebrating your excellence in upcoming sports activities. Thank you.
I, Jayashri Negi, is honored to represent Brahmaputra House as its teacher in charge. I am extremely proud to announce that our house stood first in the Sports Day year 2019-20. It's all due to the courage and hard work of our students. As the Brahmaputra Nadi, the widest river of India, roars down from the Himalayas and flows non-stop till it reaches its destination in Bay of Bengal, the Brahmaputra students proved that they will not let any obstacle stand in their way and will work tirelessly to reach the pinnacle of excellence and success. As the color yellow represents sunshine and happiness, the students of the Brahmaputra spread joy all around with their enthusiasm, vitality, and an unwavering optimism and belief in the spirit of humankind. As we take part in our annual Sports Day competition in these unusual times, students of Brahmaputra House believes that everything is possible with a little creativity, imagination, and an indomitable spirit. Thank you.
Now it's time to light the Olympic flame which ignite the passion of sporting spirit.
First torch bearer of Olympic flame is Master Kalpit Vora, captain of Satluj House. Now the torch is passed on to Miss Pari Jain, captain of Kaveri House. Next, it is handed over to Master Aditya Jadhav, captain of Godavari House. The chance of taking over the torch now goes to Disha Shetty of Brahmaputra House. The flame of peace and harmony is now lit in our school premises by Honorable Principal Mrs. Chandrakala Mishra Ma'am.
Yes, the tradition comes from ancient Greeks. During the ancient Olympic Games, a sacred flame was lit from the sun's rays at Olympia and stayed till the games were completed. This flame represented the endeavor, the protection and struggle for victory.
Now we request our Principal Honorable Chandrakala Mishra Ma'am to declare the opening of our Sports Fest.
I declare Padma Bhushan Major Dhyan Chand Abhay International School Annual Sports Fest for the academic year 2020-21 open.
The academic year 2020-21 opened doors of new learnings and experimentation for the entire world. It has taught us the values of cooperation, honesty, never give up attitudes and hard work. We are overcoming this testing time with our will, spirit and determinations. These are the qualities what sports demands. It is rightly said, sports is all about life.
I take the privilege to declare the theme for our Sports Fest. Our theme for Padma Bhushan Major Dhyan Chand Annual Sports Meet 2020-21 is Opportunity in Adversity.
In every adversity lies an opportunity and we all have experienced it during the COVID-19 pandemic. In our fight against this pandemic situation, we can proudly say that we are not only emerging victorious but at the same time helping other countries to overcome the tiring condition. Every adversity can be turned into a golden opportunity if dealt with intellect and patience. We should overcome obstacles in our path to progress.
Now it's time to show our commitment and determination by swearing in to the oath. I would like to call Mr. Tushar Nikam, our PE mentor, for oath-taking ceremony.
Okay, students, now we are going to take oath. Repeat after me. Okay, keep your hands on your chest. In the name of all competitors, we promise that we shall take part in the sports events, respecting and abiding by the rules that govern them in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the glory of sports and the honor of our school.
I must say it was a lovely scene to witness our Abhay full of vim and vigor. Let us promise ourselves that today when this fest ends, we will take home the message of fair play, which means that today you will be your own judge and make sure that you will be giving your best in the activities you are performing. I would say play to win, my child, but even if you are losing, lose with the champion.
Enough with the protocols already. Let's begin with the activities.
Now let us all shake our bodies on the bits of the pom-pom.
That was lively and energetic.
Aerobics is a form of physical exercise that combines rhythmic exercise with stretching to achieve the goal of all elements of fitness. Let us all follow the beats of this energetic music. That was truly an energetic performance.
The art of practicing yoga helps in controlling individual's mind, body and soul, which we all need. Are you all ready for the yoga performance? Let us start the performance.
Hello everyone, my name is Arvind and today I am going to do crunches. There are 3 sets. First one is for 10 seconds, second is for 12 seconds and third is for 15 seconds. Now let's start. Now the second one is you have to sleep like this. We have to keep on Let's join. Now the third one is stand like this. But let's join. To keep our hand like this. You have to keep our hand like this. Thank you for
This was truly an amazing and refreshing sight to witness. Now I request our Honorable Principal Chandrakala Mishra Ma'am to present words of motivation and encouragement for our Abhayans.
Dear Abhayans, parents, guardians, and my strength, my colleagues. Today at AIS, we are celebrating Major Dhyan Chand Sports Meet 2020-21. I am very pleased to welcome each Abhayan for the occasion. I have failed over and over again in my life, and that's why I have succeeded. A very positive and full of spirit statement by Michael Jordan. Life is full of experiences. Unless you fail, you will never understand the importance of success. Sports and games make us learn about how to tackle the situations in life, how to keep ourselves motivated for the same. It also develops the habit of working in team, working together, planning, and being the team member for each other. It will make you a better person with mental and physical strength. As you are aware that 4 houses, Brahmaputra, Godavari, Kaveri and Satluj, they are like blood in the heart of Abhayans. So, all the 4 leaders of these 4 houses, they are the cheerleader, they are the motivator for entire AIS team. A better team always work together, plan together, and they guide each other how to be successful in the life. So a sportsmanship teaches us to be disciplined, to be fair, and to be always positive in the life. Each passing day is challenging for you for to be a better person than the previous day. And your real competitor is you. As we came as a winner in the decade's worst pandemic, I can say proudly that there is opportunity in each adversity. Let's grab it and do your best. Never lose hope, because loser never win and winner never loss. I wish each and every Abhayan best of luck for today's occasion. Thank you.
Finally, the wait is over and we are all set to start with the sports activities. I would like to say, just play, have fun, enjoy the game and be true to yourselves. request Miss Nayan Mashilkar to present vote of thanks.
Good morning, one and all present here. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable day. Let me first of all start by giving glory to Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. We are grateful to our Honorable Principal Madam for her stewardship, knowledge, support, vision and commitment that motivate and help us always. My heartfelt thanks to our coordinators for their valuable contribution in planning and executing this event. My sincere thanks to our PE sir, Mr. Tushar Nikam, for his valuable contribution in planning and executing this event. I owe special gratitude to all the teaching and non-teaching staff for their endless support. I thank all the participants for displaying of sportive talent. We enjoyed the rhyme and rhythm of physical might and concentration in action. Last but not the least, I would like to thank each and every Abhayan for their cooperation in making this event a resounding success. Finally, I leave you this inspiring quote by Martin Luther King. An individual has not started living until he rises above the confines of his individualistic concerns to broader concerns of all humanity. Once again, thank you all for your attention. Thank you.
I request everyone to stand in attention position for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता।